obviously. I am from ZPHS Ganpur. I am studying in 10th class. The substance X reacted with acid. In this reaction, the products are salt, water, and carbon dioxide. What do you think about X? What is X? X is metal carbonate. Option B, X metal hydrogen carbonate. Option C, X is either metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. Option D, X is neither metal carbonate nor metal hydrogen carbonate. We take X as metal carbonate. Na2CO3, we take X as metal carbonate. Na2CO3 is metal carbonate. Plus HCl, it gives rise to sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. When metal carbonate reacts with acid, it gives rise to salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Next. So it is right. Next, X we take X as metal hydrogen carbonate. NaHCO3 is metal hydrogen carbonate. When metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with acid, it gives rise to salt, water plus carbon dioxide. So it is also right. C. X is either metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. So C is the right answer. Second question. The pH value of solutions A, B, C and D are 11.2, 5.3, 7.6 and 1.4 respectively. The strong acid is. So we take pH scale. So this is pH scale. 0 to less than 7 is acids. More than 7 to 14 is bases. 0 to 3 are strong acids. 4 to 7 are weak acids. 8 to 10 are weak bases. 11 to 14 are strong bases. So 11.2 and 7.6 are belongs to bases. So it is not an acid. So 5.3 is weak base. And 1.4 is strong base. So option C is the right answer. Satvika's friend suffering from acidity after overeating. Which of the following would you suggest to Satvika's friend? Option A, lemon juice. Option B, vinegar. Option C, baking soda. Option D, salt water. So Satvika's friend is suffering from acidity. In the stomach, the HCl is released. So that's why the Satvika's friend is feeling acidity in stomach. To neutralize, we add bases and we take base as antacid. So the baking soda is basic in nature. Lemon juice is acid in nature. So it is wrong. Vinegar is acid in nature. So it is wrong. Salt water is neutral. It is also wrong. So baking soda is the right answer. Which of the following statements are incorrect? NaOH turns to pink color when adding phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a chemical indicator. We add phenolphthalein in acids, there is no change. We add phenolphthalein bases, it turns into pink color. So NaOH is basic nature. So phenolphthalein turns to pink color. So it is right. H2SO4 turns to yellow color when adding methylene orange. Methylene adding orange is also a chemical indicator. When we add methylene orange in acid, turns into red. When we add methylene orange in bases, it turns into yellow. So H2SO4 turns to yellow color. It is not true because H2SO4 is acid in nature. pH of fresh distilled water is 7. So it is correct. So the answer is B. The substance X reacted with acid in these products are salt and hydrogen. What do you think about X? Option A, metal. Option B, non-metal. Option C, carbonates and bicarbonates. Option D, bases. So when the metal reacted with acid, what the products are released? Zn plus HCl, it gives rise to chloride plus hydrogen. Zn is the metal. So metal reacted with acid, it gives rise to zinc chloride plus hydrogen. So it is like carbonates and bicarbonates. Na2CO3 is a carbonate. When carbonate reacted with acid, it gives rise to sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. So it is not true. Then bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is reacted with acid, it gives rise to sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide. It is also not true. Bases. Acid reacted with bases. When bases reacted with acid, it gives rise to sodium chloride plus water. So acid reacted with bases, it gives rise to sodium chloride plus water. When acid reacted with base, it gives rise to salt plus water. So it is also not true. The answer is A. Match the following: acid plus metal, base plus metal, acid plus carbonate, acid plus bicarbonate, metal oxide plus acid, non-metal oxide plus base. When the acid reacted with HCl is acid, zinc is metal, so it gives rise to zinc chloride. Zinc chloride is salt plus hydrogen. So base plus metal. NaOH is base. Hydrogen. When bases react with metal, it gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. Acid react with the carbonate. When acid react with carbonate, it gives rise to salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. So it is when metal oxide react with acid plus bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate react with acid, it gives rise to salt plus hydrogen plus carbon dioxide. So it is when metal oxide react with acid, it gives CuCl2 plus water. So it is this. When non-metal oxide, salt plus water. So non-metal oxide react with base. NaOH is base plus carbon dioxide. It gives rise to plus water. So it is this. When acid react with metal, it gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. When the base react with metal, it also gives rise to salt plus water. When non-metal oxide react with base, it gives rise to salt plus water. Which reaction is called neutralization reaction? The reaction of acid with a base to give salt and water. The reaction of acid with a carbonate. The reaction of metal oxide with acid. The reaction of non-metal oxide with base. The reaction of acid with base is neutralization reaction because when acid reacts with base, it gives rise to salt and water. So it is neutralization reaction. The reaction of acid with carbonate is not a neutralization reaction because when the acid reacts with carbonate, it gives rise to salt plus water plus carbonation. So it is not true. The reaction of metal oxide with acid. Metal oxide acts as also base. So the base metal oxide reacts with acid. It is also a neutralization reaction. The reaction of non-metal oxides with base. Non-metal oxide acts as acid. So it is also a neutralization reaction. 1, 3, 4 is neutralization reactions. So this is C is the right answer. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The strength of acid depends on number of hydronium ions. The strength of bases depends on number of hydroxide ions. Ammonium hydroxide is weak base. Potent is a Greek word. When the pH scale is increased, hydronium ions are decreased. When the pH scale is increased, hydroxide ions are increased. The strength of acid depends on number of hydronium ions. The strength of bases depends on number of hydroxide ions. So potent is the Greek word is not a true. So D is the answer. The acid X, pH is equal 6, the base Y, pH is equal 14. If a salt which is formed by X and Y is contained, acidic nature, basic nature, neutral nature, not. When weak acid react with weak base, it is neutralized. When weak acid react with strong base, it is basic. The salt is basic in nature. So pH is 6. So 6 is weak base, weak acid. 14 is strong base. So salt is basic in nature. So B is the right answer. Sodium bicarbonate is used as fire extinguisher. NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate is released carbon dioxide. And sodium bicarbonate is used as fire extinguisher. Right answer. NaHCO3 it gives rise to NaHCO3 plus carbon dioxide plus water. NaHCO3 releases carbon dioxide. So that's why it acts as fire extinguishers. Option A, 1 and both are correct. It is the correct option. Option B, 1 is correct but 2 is incorrect. This is the wrong answer. Option C, 1 and 2 both are incorrect. This is also wrong answer. Option D, 1 and 2 both are correct and 2 is the right reason for A. This is the exact answer. So option D is the answer.